Alright, my name is Mallory, and I'll be teaching you how to put in a RGB lens and take it out, okay? The first step is always to wash your hands. I'll get you to wash your hands first, and then I'll wash my hands. Now, whenever we put these in, it will be a little discomforting. You will feel it on your eye. It may move around. So I will teach you how to go in and find it and put it back on the correct place that it's going to be on, okay?
Do I use soap?
Yes, you use Dawn soap without any moisturizing or any extra additives in it. Just all antibacterial soap is what you need, okay? It's important to wash your hands because you never know what kind of germs or anything what's on your hands, okay?
Okay.
Alright, now I'm going to do everything to the first lens for you, and then you will do everything for the second lens, okay? Now, which one do you want to put in first, the left or the right?
Right.
The right? Okay. There is a L right here with bubbles. That means it's your left eye. So that means this other side's your right eye, okay? So what you do is you open it up. This one was sent from the lab that has solution in it. It can be stored with or without solution. It's just the lab sends it with solution just to keep it moistured, okay? So what you do is you take it out. Since it already has solution on it, you go ahead and you put a drop of this multi-purpose solution. This cleans, you can store it in it. It does everything for you, okay? You put one drop in it, like that, on the concave side, and then you rub it in your fingers for about 15 or 30 seconds. What this does is it cleans your contact for you, okay? Gets everything off of it. Now we're going to rinse it. When you rinse it, you always make sure you have like a paper towel or something in front of the drain so the contact does not go down the drain, okay?
Okay.
Alright, now you dry your hands off and the contact. Alright. And this is whenever you check to make sure that there's no ridges or anything wrong with the contact, okay? This one has a dot and it tells you it's your right eye, okay?
So the left one doesn't have one?
Right, the left one does not have one. What you do now is you use the same multi-purpose solution. You can put a drop inside of it, and the reason why you do that, it makes it suck to your eyes better, makes it feel better on your eyes, okay? So are you right-handed or left-handed?
Right-handed.
Okay, so we're going to put this on your right index finger. Take your glasses off for me. We're going to put a drop of this multi-purpose solution on it. Alright. And then in the mirror, that's okay.
Can't see it.
Whenever it drops like that, you just gently pick it up. There you go. Alright. And then we check it to make sure there's nothing else on it.
I can't see without my glasses.
Let's see. No, everything's good. Let's put another drop of this on it.
Oh!
I did the same thing. Because we're nervous, because we're being videotaped.
Well, I'm already nervous anyway.
Alright, now with your left hand, you're going to come over your head and grab your upper eyelashes like this. Yep, just like that. And then with your middle finger of this hand, you're going to pull your lower lid down. Lower that finger, that's fine. And then you're going to go put the contact directly on the pupil of your eye, okay? Try your hardest and try to keep your eyes open. Oh, that's okay.
Did it go in?
No. Try to keep your eyes open as wide as you can, okay? There you go. And if there's another way that you can do it, this is just the way I teach.
Just straight in?
Just straight in. Get closer, 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 and it's on.
Now twist.
Now let go of your lower lid. And pull your finger out. And roll your eye over here to me. There you go. Okay, now let go of your top lid. Alright.
Oh!
It's not, let me see. Open your eyes for me. Look down. here. So let me, if you look in the mirror, you see how it's up there? Up at the top of your
Can't
lid?
see about my glasses on.
There you go. It's up here, okay?
Oh.
So what you do is you close your eye and you
Oh, I
push
feel
it.
it now. Woo!
You push it till it gets to the center of your eye, okay? With your finger, with your eyes closed. You don't do it with your finger on the contact, okay? So try
Open?
it for me. Yeah, open. And now it's over here. So now we're going to push it over to the center. So try to do it with your finger.
Where is it?
It's right there. You see it? There you go. Good. Just like that. All right, now it's on your eye.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, you're going to feel a little discomfort. And your eyes are going to water. What you're going to do is you're going to have to form like a callus on the inside of your eyelid in order to wear these contacts. But your vision will be very good with them once you do it. Do you want to take this one out before you put the other one in, or do you want to leave it in?
Well, I guess try to leave it in so I can see.
Okay.
It's hurting though.
Ooh, yeah. It's going to hurt a little bit. It's staying on your eye very good. You're just going to feel it for a little bit. But you're going to take your time. You're fine.
Okay.
Now you use, when you do store it, if you do want to store it in solution, multi-purpose solution, you use new solution every night, okay?
Okay.
Or every time you take them out. Alright, you want to do the left eye now?
Let's do it.
Alright. So I want you to take it out and go clean it in, wash it off in the sink with some tap water. You always use tap water when you rinse it off.
Just rub it.
Mm-hmm. Just rub it in between your fingers, 15 or 30 seconds. And you do this before and after you put them in and take them out. You do it after because all this stuff that can get in your eye.
And then just rinse.
And then just rinse it. Yep, so you can go and rinse it. How are you seeing?
Double vision?
Double. That's because you get one contact in and one
Is it on my
contact out.
eye?
Yep, it's still in your eye.
Okay. And then just drop it.
Drop it. We'll dry your hands off. Really good. Yeah, you just lay your contact on the paper towel. Just because it's easier for the contact to go towards your eye when your hands
And
are
just
dry.
use any paper towels?
Yeah. Any paper towel, as long as it, no, don't use like hand towels or stuff like that, or like a tissue, because it has the little particles that come out in the lint and stuff like that. That's okay. There you go. Another drop. Good.
Not much?
Mm-hmm. Alright, and same thing. Just hold your upper lid. And your lower lid. There you go. I think it fell off your finger. It's right here.
Can I do it this way?
Yeah, you can do it either way. Whatever way is more comfortable for you. There you go. Get closer, 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 closer. There you go. Now let go of your lower lid. Pull your finger out, and your upper lid. Now it's not on your your pupil again.
Oh.
It's gonna burn and sting. Just try to open your eye and let's see where it is. Okay, it's over here. So what you're gonna do is close your eye and kind of move it towards where you think your pupil is. There you go.
Oh.
And now let's look up here. There it is. Oh, now it's still in the corner. It's up there now.
Up top?
Mm-hmm. It's up here. So try to move it down. There you go. That's just why it's important to always put it like directly, try to put it directly on your pupil the best you can. It's still up here. You see it?
No.
It's right up. There you go. Now you're moving it. Try to, yeah, keep your eye open and try to move it down. There you go. You see it now? There. Now it's on your eye. And it's going to sting and burn and your eyes are going to water. And like the first day you wear them, like today, wear them as long, like an hour. Just because you're going to feel it. And then tomorrow wear them for 2. And next day wear them for 3. Yep, it's still in your eye.
Oh, so an hour today, 2 tomorrow, so I'm adding an hour a day.
Right, exactly.
Wow.
How's your vision?
Blurry?
Blurry?
Well, not really. This one's blurry, I think. Is that on my eye?
Look down. Yeah, it's on your eye.
I don't feel it like I feel this one.
And with your first initial, these contacts, we might have to tweak them some. This is just your first initial set of trials that we have for you.
Okay.
Alright. Now, whenever we take them out, it's a little bit different, okay? What you're going to do is with your dominant hand, I'm left-handed, so you just take one lens up here, and your one finger up here on the top part of your lid, and the other one right here to make a small V like this. And what you're going to do is keep your chin level as you can. And look in the, put your chin, tuck your chin down like this. And whenever you look in the mirror, you're going to look a little bit in towards your nose and blink really hard. And it's going to pop out. It's going to scare you. But it's going to pop out, okay?
So I'm looking down at the mirror.
Looking down at the mirror.
I'm going to pull.
And blink really hard. Okay, let's see. Nope, it's still in there. It's in the corner, so now I have to move it back on your eye. There you go. And same thing. Tuck your chin down. Pull your index finger and your middle finger and blink really hard. There you go. You're almost getting it. Blink really hard. Look a little bit towards your nose whenever you blink really hard. There you go.
Oh.
Awesome. We can just sit it right there, and then I'll teach you how to clean it. So since it's irritating your eyes, we'll go ahead and take the other one out too, and then we'll clean it and then store it. Okay.
So do this one, do I do it with this way, like this?
You can do it either way. You can try your hardest.
Oh, that ain't gonna work.
And then blink really hard. Nope, it's in the corner of your eye now. Move it back towards.
Can I grab it out? It's right there.
Yeah, that's fine. You can. That means it's not a good... Oh, it went back on your eye. Sometimes when it falls off that easy, it might not be fitting your eye the correct way. That's the reason why that one might have been irritating your eyes. Might have to get the doctor to look at it again. And blink really hard. You're getting it. Yeah. It's in the corner of your eye now.
Over here?
Let's see. It's up here. So move it back down on your eye. It's up there still.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
I just want to reach in there and grab it out.
Yeah, there, it's falling out now. There, blink really hard. There you go. Oops. Okay. That could be that it's not a good fit for your eye. The reason why it came out easy, it wouldn't come out.
Okay.
Alright, so now whenever you take them out, you always clean them again. You put the solution again on it. Inside the little bubble. Rub it. You can do the same thing with the other one. Rub it for about 15-30 seconds. You can put your glasses on if you need to be able to see it.
I'll feel my way to that.
Alright, and then you go back to the water. You always make sure there's a thing over it to rinse it. Okay. Alright, and then you can store them dry or you can store them in the solution.
So I don't have to have solution in them?
Right.
Okay.
And then you just put it back in the case. And then you wash your case at least once a week. You can
wash it with soap and water?
Right, soap and water, the same Dawn soap that you use, and then just make sure you dry it and rinse it out very well. And then you can use like clear care solution as well to disinfect the lenses. As many times, you can do it every night if you would like.
Where do I get this?
This you can get from anywhere where you buy anywhere solution is, like Walmart,
Okay.
CVS, Walgreens, anywhere. But for for multi-purpose solution, you always make sure it says for rigid gas permeable contacts. Okay, you can't just buy any other kind of solution. Okay.
Well, I got my contacts and my glasses.
Well, you did really good. Awesome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, can I wear them start